guys are doing this. This. But Hulk has no items. It's very short. This is for Hulk. Looks like a glider. You can put him here. And And for Captain Marvel is this. And this. I cannot put it. How about this? Sleeping. There's some guns and Hulk is some guns here. You can do this like this. Grab. And for Captain Marvel, you can also wins this. Do you guys see the season 2 of Squid Game? Thanos is my favorite. Put in the comments who is your favorite in Squid Game season 2. I mostly like player 4, 5, 6 or Jinho or Thanos at the front bench. I watch Charlie Projects, but in the world is Squid Game. It's a really brothers games. Search that in YouTube, guys. Search that out. Search. I have a funny thing to do. Watch. Wait. Pass or smash with these two guys. Like or smash or pass. Smash! 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 Shield. When toys Hulk says smash, Captain Marvel says smash, 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 smash. Winner is Hulk. Wow! Winner is Captain Marvel. It's on fire. Or I punch you. How about season 3? There's Hulk, the Avengers, and the DC superheroes. If that happened, the season 3, I know what's gonna happen in season 3. It's gonna be chess, human chess, and monkey bars, and the red light, green light, but it's not the normal. It's you'll have a bucket and you put it in water, and when we said green light, you gotta stop. Then the red light stop, green light move. Need to get top of the mountain to the fountain for the water. And bye. Like and subscribe. Wait. Like and subscribe. Or Licky Mushroom Fried. Use it to your friend. When you're watching like this, and if you see the subscribe button, push it. I want I want 1K subscribers. And the gray plaque. And the golden plaque. Diamond is my favorite. I watch YouTubers have that. Mr. Beast and the other YouTubers. I don't know. And bye-bye. See you on the next video.